Hi guys, I'm hanging out with my friend Ella here, and we're gonna show you things that people commonly get wrong. All right, maybe not wrong, but there's better ways of doing it. So, downward facing dog, madam. Bravo, so take your regular down dog. Middle fingers face forward so you have better traction to lift the hips up and back. Now Ella, this is gorgeous, but what if you bend your knees and stick your tailbone even higher? That's it. So now she has more length in the spine and the side bodies, which is really important here. Bend the knees, the heels might lift a little bit, it's okay. And then wrap your armpits in towards your heart. That's it. Gorgeous. Keep pressing the weight back into the heels from the hands so you feel it more in your legs. Beautiful. Now we're gonna show you guys a low cobra. So oftentimes, people come all the way up to a high cobra. So we're gonna stay low to the ground. Hips stay on the floor. You're pressing your pubic bone down. You're pressing the tops of your toes down into the ground. Now you bring the elbows and squeeze them together behind the back, shoulders back. Okay, now lengthen through the crown of your head so there's no wrinkles in the back of your neck. Gorgeous. Take another inhale and exhale, lower everything back down. So nice. That felt better, huh? Cool. Up dog. This one is so important. Yes, okay. So I often see this in class. You drop the head back. So that's a little bit, it gets crunchy in the neck, right? So think of lifting the gaze a little bit, spreading the collarbone super wide, pressing down through the tops of the toes so that the hips hover, and keep the navel pulled in tight to protect the low back here. Now spread the collarbones even wider. That's it. Beautiful. How do you feel?
Good.
Good.
I'm working.
Gorgeous. It is. It's a lot of work, but this is good for the body and it'll give you a stronger practice, stronger body. Thanks for hanging.